You will need carrots, butter, eggs, flour, sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Cut the tops off your carrots and peel them. You'll need about 2 cups worth. Place the carrots into a pot of water. Let the water come to a boil, then turn the heat down and let the carrots simmer for 5 minutes. In a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of sugar and a stick and a half of butter. Cream the butter and sugar. If you accidentally melt it like we did, that makes it easier. Add 1 egg and mix until smooth. Add another egg. Mix again. Another egg. Mix some more. Last egg, I promise. Mix again until silky smooth. Sift 2 cups of flour into a separate bowl. A tablespoon of cinnamon. A tablespoon of nutmeg. We didn't measure. A pinch of salt. Stir it all together. Pour the dry ingredients into the wet. Fold them in carefully or you will make a mess. Admire your batter. Back to the carrots. Grate your cooled carrots into a weird mush. Add the carrots to your batter. Use your hands if they stick to the plate. Now fold them into the batter. Just fold them in. We can't be any clearer. Once again, admire your finished batter. Dump the batter into your greased pan. Smooth it out. You didn't do all that careful folding for nothing. Put the cake into a 350-degree oven and bake for about 40 minutes. Let the cake cool on a wire rack. Cut yourself a big old slice, topped with whipped cream, and enjoy.